Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to pair the multi-camera digital RV system. The first thing you have to do before we get to this, you have to make sure everything is powered. So I've already pre-powered the RV camera, the side camera for the RV, and the monitor. Then what we want to do is make sure we're on the input that we want to pair. So I'm going to pair this camera, the RV box camera, to camera number one, channel number one. To do that, we click on menu. And then we move this mode, where it says the yellow thing, down to the pairing mode right here. That will turn yellow when you're on the right spot. I'm going to push up once, and then I'm going to click on CH to enter pairing mode. Now you're going to see the countdown begins. The next step is taking the camera itself. You'll see here, right there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click on this thing for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, with just a regular pen. Give it a couple of seconds to pair. Then you should see the picture in 5 seconds. 1 second here. There you go. We paired our first camera. Now to pair the next camera, which is the side camera, we're going to move to channel number 2 by clicking select, because that's where I want it. Right? And again, we have no signal. So we're going to click on menu. We're going to click on, we're going to go up to pairing, so that turns yellow. We're going to click CH. Now the pairing process begins again. The side camera is actually a little easier, because the way that works is got a little button right here. So I'm going to hold that down for a couple of seconds. When the clock stops, you know that it's already locked into and it's pairing. It just needs a couple of seconds to sync up. 1 second here. There you go. Side camera is now paired. So you have the RV camera and the side camera paired. To do it for the next 2 channels is very simple. You just go to select again, so on and so forth. That's how you pair a multi-camera digital system. Thank you and have a great day.